some Play-Doh eggs? Cool, right?
I'm gonna open this one.
Who's...
With reviews!
Hey, whose birthday is it today? Redford's birthday. Happy birthday, buddy.
I thought it's my birthday.
Yeah.
Can Redford open it to get his presents inside? Oh, it's open, it's open. Let's see. Cool. Look at
Avengers on it.
I know. Look at all those Avengers. That's a cool comic book from like a long time ago.
Yay, an
Look
avocado.
at this one.
Yeah, that one's my favorite one.
Cool.
All right, Mom's gonna hand you your other present.
Yeah, good job. Cool. Mini cars.
Whoa!
Wow.
Oh wow! It's a 15 pack.
Cool. Who do you see in there?
What guys do you see? Who else?
You forgot. Luigi.
Doc Hudson. Bobby. I think you need a special key. Well, maybe Dad has one right here. Got some Play-Doh eggs? Cool, right?
I'm gonna open this one.
Okay.
What's inside? That's Play-Doh! It comes with minis too!
It's a Mack mini trailer?
Yeah!
Cool, huh?
You can keep all the minis in there.
That could be their home.
What? It comes with my queen!
It does.
I'm gonna open this.
Let's open it and play with them, right?
Okay, ready?
Here's your minis.
Just pick it up. Who's that?
How many guys can you go in there?
Let's see how many can fit.
You think so? Yeah.
Everyone can go in here.
Cool.
Maybe.
That'd be nice. Oh wait, there's another side. Cool.
Oh, you can get twice as many. You get more guys in there.
Yeah.
Once you get all your other minis too. Do you like this little Mack trailer?
Cool. You put the last one in, buddy.
I like this side of the moon.
Yeah, that's a good picture for mine, right? Yep, there they all are. Hold on. I'm going to put them back for you to take them out. Alrighty. Here they come, Redford. Beep, 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 beep. Beep, 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 beep. Over to Redford, please. Special delivery.
Whoa, I got another Prezi.
Oh, I'll take out my main first.
Okay.
Okay.
Here, this help me rip.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah,
Playset for all the minis.
Oh.
They can have races.
Wow, this is Cars 3.
Yeah, Jackson Storm and Gyneco Cruz Ramirez come with the set.
Can I make that? Oh, maybe this
Nice.
mine. I made it. I like my Mack trailer.
Yeah? Is it a fun Mack trailer?
I think Doug wanted to come out too.
Doc Hudson?
He wanted to come out and go on the other side of it.
Okay, switch sides, Doc.
Should we load up the guys? Let's load these guys up. Made her. Oh, crash and burn.
This was it. Yes.
Oh, he did it. Cruz went all the way around. Hit the red button, launch, get ready to launch. There you go, launch them up. Good job, buddy. And these guys are up here watching. Hey, good job, Cruz, just like I taught you. Good job, buddy. All right, Jackson Storm, are you fast? I'm gonna try here. Let's go, come on, Danny. Whoa, he went all the way around. He went all the way around?
He was right in here. Now you get him out.
How do you get him out?
Open this cage and get him out of this cage and pull.
Oh yeah? Oh cool. So with the 15 pack that we just got, we got, who is this guy? Smokey. And we got, can you tell us who this guy is? Cruz. We also got Redford. We got Lighting Mcqueen, the Rusties, number 95. Yeah, we got that one too. The 15 pack also comes with Chick Hicks. And we also have Doc Hudson. How cool is this guy? This is one of my favorites. Do you like Doc Hudson too?
This is also one of my favorites.
I know. Because you're wearing his Lightning McQueen shirt.
My
Sheriff comes with the 15 pack. River Scott,
This is
number 34.
This is doing the
No, that's actually Louise Nash.
Oh, we don't have to do
This is Louise Nash, buddy.
Yeah.
Number 94. Cool. Hey, Louise Nash. And we have Luigi, little yellow guy. Hey, it's me, Luigi. I will help you. McQueen, whatever you need. I have the tires for you. What do you need? Lightning McQueen's best friend, Mater. Hey there, McQueen. What do you need? I'm really good at going backwards, dude. Yeah. Woohoo. Yeah, whatever you need, buddy.
Later, going over this.
Oh, it's Ramon with a super cool paint job.
Stick it out, later. Later, come and stick it out.
Mater's coming over.
Look at this. Playset.
And we have Jackson Storm.
That's what.
Jackson Storm.
I'm going to wipe you.
Jackson Storm is here too. Number 20. He's got a lot of cool detail. He's got Ignite on the back, number 20 on the side. Super cool. We have Danny Swerve, one of the new racers that races with Jackson Storm, takes over for Bobby Swift.
I think that is our bro.
This is Danny Bro, you're right. There's your Danny Bro. The 15 pack also comes with Natalie Certain. And last but not least, Cal Weathers, number 42. Hey Cal, he's got his Dynaco right there. There's a lot of great detail in these mini racers. Right? Do you like these guys? Here comes Cal Weathers. And Ramon. Shakix is coming. Hey. Natalie Certain's here. Hey, Redford. Got all your minis? Happy birthday, bud.